robots. I wonder how they think and create.
Hi, Ria. Did you call for a robot expert?
Robo, you scared me. I was just thinking about how robots can create things.
That's a great thought. You know, there's something called
Generative AI? What's that?
Let's go to the imagination garden. I'll show you.
So, it can create new things from what it learns?
Exactly. It learns from lots of examples, like pictures. Let's see how it works. Look at this animation.
Wow, it's like magic! But how does it know what to create?
Great question. It uses patterns and rules.
So, can generative AI help me with my drawing?
Yes. There are many programs that can help you create new art.
That sounds amazing! I want to try it!
Let's create something together. I'll show you how to use a simple generative.
Yay! Let's make something awesome!
Remember, you can add your own ideas and the AI.
I can't wait to see what we come up with!
Generative AI is all about creativity and imagination.
Thanks, Robo! I can't wait to create more with generative AI!
Remember, kids, your imagination is limitless.